Let's check it out here in the say. He hided the vines and the stings. He hided the vines and the stings. I'm trying to get state of image. What is it? I think. Oh, look at this out here. What is it? I think. What is it? I think. Stayed in the middle of the street. No, let's check. He likes to extortionate people. He's no minor, you know what I mean? He's no minor. He's no minor, you know what I mean? He's no minor, you know what I mean? Sir, take a book us out. Take a book us out. It must be, look, old man buying young man. Old man buying young man. Old man buying young man. See, if you want, you put privacy in your thing. And may I get your business cards from each single of you? You make fundraisers, you should give him, you win good money. You should help him out. If you're a real true hero. Haven't won a thing. Haven't won a thing. Haven't won a thing. What a man tells another man to do in a ball, you can't do it yourself? It looks like you need a lot of dedication, sir. You need a lot of dedication in your life. Education. What's up, education? Education. We'll be back. A lot of people meet tomorrow. He seems calm. He actually does it. Oh, no, he doesn't. He starts telling me that. That doesn't matter. None of you, what I do is mind your own business, Eddie, okay? So this guy can't leave it on everybody. Can't leave it go. Look at the building. Damn, is that cool? That guy just barks, but he's not gonna do anything. He barks like a dog, but won't do anything. Whap, whap, whap. Whap, whap, whap. Whap, whap, whap. She's covering her face with her customer's information. What the hell? Damn, we got all these lazy workers here. Wow. Look at this jumbo jack here. He probably weighs 300 pounds. Look at this one. Whoa. This one probably weighs like over 600 pounds. Wow. That's how lazy they are. Probably from eating burgers all day. Wow.
Circuit? Oh, no.
Don't touch me, okay? Don't touch me, okay? Don't touch my shit, bitch. Okay? You wanna go to jail? Don't. Huh? Okay, don't worry. I'm telling you, back off, okay? Okay? You wanna get in trouble, dude? You wanna play games? What is wrong with you, dude? Are you okay? Are you on drugs? I'm getting a lot of bad reviews now. Yeah, for me filming, this guy wanted to beat me up. This crazy guy right here. Manager? Why did this guy threaten me to beat me up? Instead of being nice to welcome me, may I get you a seat or something? Oh, you're a crybaby? What are you gonna do, fucking bitch? You saw he did that. I'm calling the police now. Your friend is going to jail. That's it. This guy threw me 3 chopsticks. Right now, I got it on video. I'm filming here, and this guy threw me 3 chopsticks. I have it on video. Without even doing anything. This guy likes to do the thing. Hey, this guy's talking too. He's just talking because he has a mouth. That's why. Trust me, they do a wrong move, they're screwed. All this back and forth, nothing. I always make people's day. I'm unique, that's why. Oh, we got a food delivery, everyone. Food delivery on progress. There we go, he's mad. He threw the door. They're gonna act stupid on camera again. That easy, I wonder. Yeah, man. As you could see, I have everything under control. Quick. So he decided to throw these papers in. Supposedly he loves Jesus, but in the end he's throwing Jesus papers on the floor, everybody. That's not having respect for Jesus. Well, check me out, everybody. Thanks for the support on YouTube. Where is he hiding? He's hiding in the tomb. It's like peekaboo, like. It's like peekaboo, like. This person's getting a ticket. That's it. They made a, what is it called? A straight turn when it's only a right turn. That's what I saw on the other side.
How the fuck you make a straight turn?
Do that too. I do 2 jobs, though. Huh? Yeah. How many hours do you gotta do that? 1. And I don't pay bills, so that's all good. I just save the money. I have 5 cars, 2 houses paid off. What else do I want? Real. Everything I carry is real. I have signed Kanye West stuff. I met in person. I have signed Kanye West stuff. I met in person. You still don't learn, huh? Because we're here, your customer attacked me. You'll be getting a lot of bad reviews on Yelp.
That's amazing. I get them every
Trust me. They're not gonna want to come here eat. That's simple. They're not gonna want to come here eat. They're not gonna want to come here eat. They're not gonna want to come here eat. That's simple. You don't scare me. Like your friend tried to scare me. If you want a lawsuit, scare me, okay?
That's it. Ponytail boy.
Pony, that's a good name.
That's it.
He doesn't have a nice ponytail like you, though. He doesn't have a nice ponytail like you, though.
Your zipper's down.
Okay?
Yeah, your zipper's down, man. You might want to fix that. You might want to get that zipper.
Big ass belly, and you got your zipper down. Look at that.
Doesn't matter what you have, okay?
Side angle. Ooh, fat.
I could. That's the thing.
You got a little tag on.
I am not your zippers down.
Okay?
Very.
Go away.
You gotta wait. We have somebody to talk to.
Hey, your zipper's down. Okay? I'm gonna film you. It doesn't matter, okay? No.
Yeah.
I thought it was my... Another question, how come you overreact when somebody has a taser and somebody calls the people and makes a false report? I'm always here. That's a good... Ooh, must cost the ball. I'm always here. That's a good... Ooh, must cost the ball. That's a good... Ooh, must cost the ball. Oh, damn. The thing is this, damn. Look at this, all taxpayers' money wasted to trash. That's how it goes. What up, Banubu food? What up, Banubu food? What up, Banubu food?
So I need you to start over.
You don't tell me what to do, dude. You don't tell me to do. That's how it rolls.
Just step in, sir.
Okay? I tell you what to do, dude. Tell me what to do. Remember that, okay?
Stand right here.
How about that? You don't tell me what to do. You tell me what to do. I tell you what to do. Remember that, dude. I tell you what to do. You don't tell me what to do. You don't tell me what to do, dude. You don't tell me to do. I tell you what to do, dude. Okay? I tell you what to do, dude. You don't tell me what to do, dude. You don't tell me to do. I was just here for a tour and these people just don't seem to stop bothering me. See what Mully has to do, say again. It looks like you need a lot of dedication. You're missing a lot of dedication in your life, lady. A lot of dedication. This guy put his glove like he was gonna do something. If he tries something, he's gonna go into a nightmare. That's for sure.
Sir.
Back the fuck up, homie.
No filming.
Back up.
Sir, no filming.
Once you're ready, I'm gonna keep on filming you, okay?
Sir.
Sip your mouth up, okay, homie?
Filming over.
Sip your mouth. I told you already. Sip it up.
Sir, I'm not passing it.
No?
Sir, I'm not passing it.
No? Tell this fat ass right here to remove me.
Move him.
So last time they put me in handcuffs and they made a false call that I had a gun and they threw me on the floor and they pointed a gun at me. That's not acceptable. And this is the first surprise. I'm gonna be surprised because it's the first time. Actually, I don't know what's here though. But it's pretty much interesting for me. So this is a thing I deal with every day. Not just today, every day. None of your fucking business. That's what I got to tell you. Don't worry about my equipment. Worry about yourselves. None of your fucking business. That's it. Don't talk to me. That's how you get them away.
Stay out of the way if you can find it in your heart to do that, because we're
Why are you still
trying to get a job.
You're not okay. There, I already moved from there. Why are you following me now?
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay.
Bumming the curb, didn't you?
No.
They
I'm not gonna go on the street so they could run me over. What are you talking about, huh?
That's why we have the streets locked up.
I'm not gonna go on the street. My life is precious, dude. I got a long way to live, dude. I got a long way to live, dude. You want a car to hit me? That doesn't make sense.
That's why I'm standing here guarding your life.
You told me to go on the street. How's that guarding my life? There's cars right there. Please.
He was recording us.
Jong, jong.
Back to my vlog.
Jong, jong, jong. So this guy can't leave at everybody. He can't leave it go. Cha 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 cha. Jong, jong, jong. Cha cha. Jong, jong, jong.
안에 주차장을 찍어가지고 뭐 하려고 주차장 찍냐 말이야.
짜짜짜짜
말간 같은 소리 하지도 하지 마.
짜짜짜짜 짜짜짜짜. Sorry, buddy. They're not respecting my right to film again. You want me to speak Chinese or? Jong jong.
Back to my vlog.
Jong jong jong. He seems calm. He actually does that one. No, he doesn't. This might get a little scared. I don't know. We need to change things around. That's why the police doesn't have them communicate with the people. Sir, take a book us out. Take a book us out. Take a book us out. This gun, Baseto over here. Damn, are they gonna respect my right? Is that down? I think so, yeah. On this one, they're gonna respect it. Down. On this one, they're gonna respect my right to film. Yeah, who's this? Who's this, eh? I don't know. Oh, he's just a guy he checks things online. This is the first surprise. I'm gonna be surprised because this is the first time. Actually, yeah, this is the first surprise. I'm gonna be surprised because this is the first time. Actually, I don't know what's here though. But it's pretty much interesting for me. These guys are extra normal, huh? It's like 10 of these fools here. Are you gonna stand here all day?
Are you gonna stand there all day?
I am gonna stand you all day. Don't get in my face, dude.
Am I in your face?
Okay.
I'm on the sidewalk.
Don't get in my personal space, okay?
What you gonna do? Hit me?
What are you gonna do?
I just asked
okay?
a question. I couldn't
Back
hear you.
off, okay?
I couldn't hear you. I'm sorry.
Don't get in my personal space. They don't get respect because they don't respect. That's why. Pretty cool. The police are coming, so just wait for them. Okay? It's not illegal. They're gonna tell you. They're gonna tell you. You just put your business in the bad shape. You'll be getting a lot of phone calls of bad service for calling the police on a person and inventing lies. That's a federal crime. So everything you talked on the phone, I'm gonna be able to hear it. I'll make a photocopy of that. I'll go to the police station. So you better not say anything lying. Look at this horse right here. Two horses right there, licking their balls. Two whores on the street, licking their balls. Go suck a dick. You're a dick sucker, huh? You like to suck cops' dicks? Licking their balls. What are you gonna do? You have balls? What are you gonna do? You have a stick right there. You don't have balls, dude.
Oh, well, fuck them. I'm gonna give a fuck them.
Fuck you. You're not gonna tell me what to do. Fuck you. This is public sidewalk, dude. Fuck you again. This is public sidewalk, motherfucker.
Right, you need to listen to me.
Fuck you. Why don't you listen? Taxes every year. You work for me, motherfucker. I pay my taxes every year, fucking hoe. Fucking idiot. I'm gonna be here. Okay? You're an idiot. Have a nice day. You're a moron. Fuck you.
Thank you, buddy.
Fucking idiot.
Appreciate it.
That's why the community doesn't fucking like you, dude. For the bullshit you do, fucking idiot. Look at this. Listen. Fuck you. Why don't you listen? Fuck you. It's public sidewalk. Fuck you. I told you already.
While I'm... All right.
Fuck you. And look at this horse right here. Two horses right there, licking their balls. Two whores on the street. There's two whores on the streets. They should go to Figueroa and sell themselves. That easy. Your mom is an instigator, dude. That's for sure. So we got two whores that like to suck dick right here, everyone. Two whores right here. I wonder how many. Ooh. And fuck you, bitch. Go suck a dick. You're a dick sucker, huh? You like to suck cops' dicks, huh? Fucking bitch. So this idiot's over here barking orders. He's barking orders and he's no one.
Sounds like you have a pubic hair stuck in your throat. Get that pubic hair out.
Fuck you! What are you censored? Fuck you! Fuck you! That's right! What's up, pussy? What's up? Stop standing like a girl. So he got super mad. He doesn't know who I am, though. Trust me, I get a lot of views on YouTube. I'll make him put on check. He doesn't know who he's messing with.
For you, beat it.
You beat it. You're no one. Beat it. This is what you're gonna get when you tell me beat it. That's simple. Okay?
Guys like you are
Beat
chatter,
it.
baby.
Okay?
You're all chatter, baby. You're all chatter.
Beat it.
You're all chatter.
Beat it. You're gonna tell me beat it. Who are you, dude? That's funny.
I ain't no one.
You're no one. Beat it. You're a crazy old man. That's what you are. Beat it. Who's this guy saying beater? That's the funniest thing I ever heard in my life. If you touch me, I'm not playing with you, dude. I'm gonna pepper spray you. Okay? That's the truth. I'm not playing with you, dude. Okay? Okay. I wanted to see this place. Is it down, everyone? Hell yeah. I had so much fun with this camera. I enjoy what I do. This idiot said body armor is illegal. What a stupid people. He's so stupid. Okay, I'm not talking to you. Okay? Bro? You get close to me, I'm gonna pepper spray you. You know that, okay? What are you gonna do? You want me to pepper spray you, dude? Calm down, okay? I could be here. Okay? No, que pare de buscarme pleito. No, I'm gonna be here all day. And that's simple, okay? Okay? Don't touch me, you touch me right now. Okay? Ya no te estoy buscando pleito y me estás insultando. What's your name and badge number, sir? What's your name and badge number? You're seriously gonna act like a fool right now. What's your name and badge number? I'm asking for all of you badge numbers. What's your name and badge number? You work for me, slave. You're not gonna say your name, dude? How about you?
I wasn't breaking the law.
You broke it.
I didn't.
Okay?
How you doing?
Good. You don't get close to me, okay?
Why not?
Don't get close to me. I don't want you close to
I
me.
don't want you to walk in the street, man.
Okay?
I don't want you to walk in the street.
Ain't close to me.
Why not? What's going on?
Okay? 6 feet away.
I'm giving you a better feel. What's going on, man?
Oh, don't get close to me.
How can we
Why
help
don't
you?
you understand that 6 feet away?
How can we help you?
Okay? I don't need your
You're
help.
wearing a mask.
I don't need your help.
Okay, well you're filming, so I
Why?
want to know what's going on. What is it we can do for you?
Nothing. Don't get close to me. What did I tell you? Why you keep on
Like you
following
said, this is a
me?
public sidewalk, right?
I know, but now
This
you're
is a public
harassing me.
sidewalk. I'm not. It's a public sidewalk.
You're following me
like
where
you
I'm
said.
going. Why you following me?
Right? Because it's a public sidewalk.
Okay? Why
So
you following me now?
What's going on, man? How can we help you?
Okay?
How can we help you? What's going on?
Why you following me now?
So I'm trying to find out what's going on. What's the issue? Nothing? No worries?
Stay 6 feet away from me. I told you already.
There's no way. You're not even wearing a mask. If you were really that concerned about you're wearing a mask, but you're not.
Okay?
Right?
Why you following me?
Well, I'm not really following you. As you said, it's a public sidewalk, right?
Yeah, but you keep on following me.
That's what you said. It's a public sidewalk.
Keep on following me right here. Because they search your car. What's your name and badge number? Can I get your name and badge number, tyrant? What is it? Can I get your name and badge number? Alright, you wanna play that game, well. What's your name and badge number, sir? What's your name and badge number? So that's a tyrant you are. Good for you. What's your name and badge number, sir? What's your name and badge number? You're seriously gonna act like a fool right now. What's your name and badge number? I'm asking for all of you badge numbers. What's your name and badge number? You work for me, slave. You're not gonna say your name, dude? How about you, pig? So last time they put me in handcuffs, and they made a false call that I had a gun, and they threw me on the floor and they pointed a gun at me. That's not acceptable. That's what I do best. Hell yeah. That's how crazy these people are. This is what I have to deal with every day. It's not a one thing day, it's every day I have to deal with this.